Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your loan account with LendingTree. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To reset your loan account with LendingTree, start by visiting the LendingTree homepage. Look for the sign in button located in the upper right corner of the page. Click on the sign in button. You will be directed to the login page. Here, find the Forgot Your Password link beneath the password entry field. Click on the Forgot Your Password link. You will be prompted to enter the email address associated with your loan account. Type in your email address carefully. After entering your email, click on the Submit button. Check your email inbox for a password reset email from LendingTree. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Open the email and find the link to reset your password. Click on the link provided in the email. You will be redirected to a password reset page. Create a new password that meets the specified requirements. Confirm your new password by entering it again. Once you have entered and confirmed your new password, click Reset Password. You will receive a confirmation that your password has been successfully changed. Return to the LendingTree login page. Now, enter your email address and the new password you just created. Click the Sign In button. You should now have access to your loan account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to LendingTree's customer support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.